What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I haven't been making much videos lately because it's been hot as hell in Arizona, but if you guys haven't followed my Instagram, you guys already know that I already sold the GT4. And I actually picked up another car. So if you guys don't know what it is, here she is. That is right. I picked up a 2008 Honda S2000 CR model, and actually, if you can see already, it's already been modified. Picked it up locally here in Arizona. So yeah, it's a supercharger with a couple of goodies on the car. And right now, I am at my buddy's Chris. You guys remember him? Where is he? Where is he? He's hiding.
Formerly known as Nasty VAB.
Yeah, formerly known Nasty Vab. And you guys remember his car? It's Wide Body STI. So we're gonna be doing couple maintenance on his car, oil change and spark plugs, just to make sure everything's good and running. And so yeah, let's get started. So I'm pretty sure this is basic, but if you guys don't know how to change the spark plug for the S2000, the valve cover, this is pretty much a Allen wrench socket. Just pop that out. It's like I don't even know what it is, but it's an Allen wrench. Just gotta take that off. And then here's the coil packs, 10 mil. Unplug the harness, and then just pull out the coil packs, and then the spark plugs are underneath, and just replace that. You should be good. Wait on there. Everything's still black. So, a little detail about the car. As we're putting it up for jacks, to get the oil change. This is running on the T37 Superlapse. 9.5 plus 22 all the way around. At the J's front fenders, 40 mil. The rear as well. I believe that's 25. You got that sorcery front bumper. Damn. Going to the rear. You got the car shop glow. Rear taillights, sequentials, different modes for like shows and whatnot. You got the Racing Factory Yamamoto, I think. Racing Factory rear diffuser, and then we got the Tanabe medallion exhaust on there. The sad thing is that he didn't keep the CR wing, but another AP2 trunk on there. So I'm gonna have to source a new wing. So if you guys want to know what it is, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for follow-up on updates. Alright, and going inside the interior, pretty much has a spoon steering wheel, which is right here. And a quick release hub.
Work belt.
And then got the bride seats, Lomax 2. This thing is like super snug. Both side. And I think everything else is stock. So if you guys didn't know, a CR model comes with the yellow stitching, the yellow tack. So yellow.
That ARC should come.
I don't.
I think it's ARC.
Let's take it out.
See if it's ARC, but I feel like he might be ARC. He has that ARC stuff on there.
Really good at handling balls. Let me know how it is.
It's alright.
Oh, yeah, bigger.
Oh, I got bigger.
I feel like it doesn't have that much weight.
It doesn't. It's not.
So
that
I like weighted shift knob. So I don't know. I think there might be or it might not be.
We'll figure it out with the ARC. If you don't like it, then you can sell it for like, I don't know, maybe 150 bucks.
Yeah, let's see.
Just polish it up. It's got a lot of, it's used.
A lot of grimes and hard.
A lot of ball sweat.
So there it is. Let's put those balls right here. Then the 4-piece harness, kata, which I'm not a big fan of these.
You're not?
No, I like this right here. Look at this, yeah. But good there, just in case. All right, now we're gonna look at the engine. Science of Speed Supercharger Stage 2. Got the air to water cooler right here, so no intercooler needed. And then I'm pretty sure he upgraded everything based on what the kit came with. So if you guys want to know what it is, it's pretty much in the description for the Science of Speed Stage 2 kit. And I think he has an oil cooler in here too. Yeah, so there's an oil cooler right here. But besides that, it's tuned on Honda Flash Pro, running on 91 right now. All right, now we're going to look at the engine. Science of Speed Supercharger Stage 2. Got the air to water cooler right here, so no intercooler needed. And then I'm pretty sure he upgraded everything based on what the kit came with. So if you guys want to know what it is, it's pretty much in the description for the Science of Speed Stage 2 kit. And I think he has an oil cooler in here too. Yeah, so there's an oil cooler right here. But besides that, it's tuned on Honda Flash Pro, running on 91 right now. So right now I'm like sweating. It's like 95 degrees outside. I think because it rained yesterday, the humidity is like killing me right now, but I'm doing this for you guys, so that way you guys can be updated on what kind of cars I have. But the car is tuned on that flash tune, and from what I heard, it's pushing maybe like 5 pounds of boost, 320 to 330 horsepower. That's what I'm anticipating, but I think I'm gonna have it retuned later down the road as soon as the weather gets cooler. But for now, I'm just gonna casually drive it because it's super hot right now and I don't want to push anything hard on this car yet. But as far as I know, the car sounds good, drives good. Can't wait to take it out to like mountains if we were driving somewhere around. But this car is gonna be definitely a fun car to drive. All right, so we are pretty much all done with the maintenance. Finished putting the spark plugs in and the oil was changed. So it's hot. I think we're gonna call it a day. Get some AC. But hope you guys enjoy this car, or hope you guys like this car, because there's gonna be plenty of footage of this car going forward. I got a couple parts that I want to add on to this car, so it's gonna look a lot better than it is now, even though it's still a pretty looking car. But until then, make sure you guys subscribe, follow my Instagram. I usually update that first before I update YouTube. So if you guys want to see more updates on the car, the Supra S2000, make sure you follow my Instagram. And big shout out to Chris again for always helping out.
Yeah,
Until then, peace.